Well, I think there are three things. The first is software as a service, which has really changed the consumption model for software and put more control in the hands of the business owner. Second thing is big data or in-memory computing, which allows the analysis of huge amounts of data and also the recalibration of some business processes to real time. And the third thing is mobile. And mobile gives us not only the ability to work anywhere, but it's also dramatically simplified the user experience. And we see that user experience now being adopted across the entire application. There's certainly an opportunity to disrupt and innovate a number of different kinds of processes, within the context of human capital management. Another area is that I think is related to healthcare is how companies have managed down the cost of travel and expense. So it used to be just about an efficient process, but then it became around analyzing the costs, managing the supply chain for the procurement of those goods and services, and then really working with employees to educate them into how to use these services and how to really buy into the program of keeping costs down on behalf of the corporation. Well, the cloud presents a couple of opportunities. I think one is to, first of all, to simplify the user experience. And you see in leading benefits automation solutions that they've driven it toward a much more engaging and consumerized experience that the employee can understand. Secondly, I think we now have an opportunity with the cloud to also enable the corporation to manage the rising costs of healthcare more effectively by using analytic data to control those costs, and also by driving participation of the employees to understand how to use healthcare appropriately, and also to use the right channels to drive down that cost. Well, I think that first of all, HR leaders need to do some homework to understand the market landscape for solutions. And they should be looking for innovative solutions that use the latest technology, including analytics, a highly usable experience for the end user, as well as cloud technologies. Also, they need to look at opportunities to innovate the business processes, and they can align these initiatives with what benefits the business by really trying to drive strategic innovation in the business, flexibility for the business, and long-term value for the corporation.